guys, kasama natin ngayon si Sir Son, diba? Or Kuya Will.
Ambong limo!
Kuya Will. Ayan, so he's one of our students sa freshman natin. And he came all the way from US, no?
Yeah.
So ngayon, sir, you've been in the trading industry na for the longest time and talagang financial educator din talaga siya and advocate talaga siya in helping our fellow Filipinos na magkaroon ng financial literacy. What is the reason bakit gusto pa siyang mag-aral? Bakit gusto pa mag-aral ng Forex?
For the reason is very basic na maintindihan talaga ng lahat ng Pilipino kung ano ba talaga ang Forex. Kasi nagiging dilemma nila na kapag dating ng Forex parang hindi ganun madali, napakahirap. But in here, you will really learn the basic at napakadaling intindihin sa tulong ng ating coach, si Lidinelli. You will see na you will really appreciate, matututunan nyo in a layman's term at lalo na tinatagalog niya yung mga technical terms na lalo nyo maiintindihan. Even I already have all the skills sa trading, mas nagustuhan ko kasi Tagalog na siya at ang daming applications na you will be challenged na matuto talaga. Yun ang isa sa mga bagay na natutunan ko dito and the application is really fitted doon sa real situation sa trading. I hope everyone could join as well dito sa training na to. Talagang malaki ang may tutulong and you will see the difference.
Yes, and I'm really excited for our collaboration kasi we're planning to do this as well in US. So if you are from US, diba?
Wow.
Yung mga OFWs natin dyan na talagang right now, they're really eyeing talaga na maka-join sa legendary training natin. Coach, ano na po, ang magiging natin dyan. Magtuturo ng ating trading. Kailangan niya lang po i-master right now and we're gonna be, of course, extending the services from here in the Philippines going to US.
Thank you so much.
So, ayun, nakaka-excite talaga. And I'm really hoping talaga na talagang mas ma-master pa natin ng trading kasi this will definitely help yung mga students na maging well-rounded when it comes to their finances, di ba? Ayun, maraming salamat, Sir Will, for this opportunity and of course for trusting LTA.
Thank you so much for the opportunity as well. Kahit pa paano nabigyan ako ng pagkakataon matuto. It's really very blessing for us. Meron ganitong academy na matututunan natin. Thank you so much.
Thank you po.
Thank you.